Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I have my phone and I have my speeding Rubik's Cube, and this thing is really cool, and I'm going to put a stopwatch on my phone, see how fast I can really solve Rubik's Cube. Okay, stopwatch is here. Let me mix it up really quick. Okay, let me look at each side. All right. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I got. It's really hard to see because it's like in the opposite direction, but I got 2 minutes, 16 seconds, and then 89 milliseconds. It's good, but I want to do better. So let me mix this up again. And you guys are probably really surprised that I managed to solve this in just that much time. Okay, here's my little stand. Stan just reminded me, the word Stan, it reminded me of this show I was just watching before I filmed this video called Gravity Falls. It was a really good show. All right, hold on, no, I have to check. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute, 35 seconds, and 41 milliseconds. That is pretty good. Yeah, it's hard to tell, but it says 1 minute, 35 seconds, and 41 milliseconds. Just backwards. Okay, well, I was surprisingly really good, and I probably make a tutorial of actually how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Anyways, bye.